That was so silly for Thomas and Percy to not beat this game. I'm James, the Splendid Red Engine, and I'm sure to beat this game anyway. Wonder why this is so dark in this game. Huh. What happens if I win this game anyway? Oh, maybe I can get a new coat of paint. Maybe that will be the prize. Yeah. Okay, I gotta go find 8 trucks. Just so I can win the game. I will show Thomas and Percy that I'm better than them, you know. Ooh, I can see a truck. Yes. Okay, now all I need is another one. Hey, I see a wheel. Since when they had to put that there? Okay, now I gotta go this way. Oh, a truck! It's right behind that wall. They tried to trick me. They really think they can hide the truck somewhere? Oh, no they didn't. It's 2 out of 8. Only 6 more. Those streets are right between the tracks. Whoa, now it's on the line. How did that happen? I've been playing like minutes, and I only gotten 2 trucks. Where's the 3rd truck? Maybe I should go on this track. Is the truck inside that shed? Oh yes, it is. Hey, it's that same tree that blocked my way. Wonder why they had to do that though in the game. God, I need 5 more. I think I've been here before. See, that's the same wall I just passed by before. Uh-oh, I think I've been here before. Ooh, I think I see another truck in there. Huh? Oh, great, now it's getting too dark here. How do I get into that line? Well, there's gotta be another way for me to... Oh my god, the Slender engine! He's there! Get away from me! Oh. I'll go this way. Surely Slender engine won't find me over there. Hey, I was already here before. There's another truck inside there. Good, the Slender engine isn't around here. Hey, what's that noise? Is it the Slender engine? No. Gotta find 4 more. Slender engine, you better not get me, or I'll be very disappointed in you. Okay, what's that noise? What's that noise? No! No! Not now! Okay, where am I now? Oh, Timid Sheds. Ooh, the truck is there. Man, I really need to get it in. Whoa! Oh god, he's next to it. Why am I playing this game anyway? Hey driver, can you find any trucks around somewhere? Yes, James. It's in sight over there. Oh good. Now I got 5. Beat that, Thomas and Percy. I got more trucks than you guys. I only need 3 more. Okay, I'm gonna go left. Ooh, there's another truck. About to get the 6th one. Only 2 more. I only got 5. Now 6. Ah! Oh, god dang it! How does he even do that? He didn't even move, but all of a sudden he pops out of nowhere. Oh, man, I didn't even win. I'm never gonna figure out what will happen if I win. Man, this is the worst game I ever played.